I got a message or an email yesterday just telling me that a lady needs some medication delivered to her. So they gave me various slots over the next 3 days to deliver it. I can do it today. And my mission is to go to a chemist in Golders Green and then deliver it to the lady where she lives and then ride home. So for me, it's a bit of exercise. It might take me about 3/4 of an hour. So I'll get my exercise and I'll do something with that exercise. That's exactly what Good Gym is all about, exercising and doing some good. I've been delivering medication for the last 2 years. She's barely ever left her flat. At first she wasn't even opening the door because of COVID. We have some conversations, but it's very limited. I don't think she has many people. She just literally does not leave the flat. So I don't think her family are there. She's incredibly isolated, and maybe I'm one of the only people that she sees. I think there's a lot of people out there like that. There's an agency that's aware of the lady's situation. They contact head office and they say, have you got a Good Gym person that could deliver in that area to that lady? So welcome everybody, and my name is Paul. I'm the coordinator for Good Gym Barnet.
We'll do a down dog, which is one of my favourite exercises. So technically it's a relaxing position, so you're just stretching out yeah, and lifting the hips. You can do various things here. You can bend your elbows. You can push the dog out of the way.
Do something for the community, and so rather than just run around the block and do nothing, we're looking to do something with our energies.
Doing this left-handed, apparently it's good for your brain to do stuff left-handed.
Good.
The oldies do the newies.
Finish!
Here at Martin's Primary School, and the idea is we're going to help them with their forest school, and we're going to load up the wood chip into these wheelbarrows and wheel them into the forest and then prepare the path so they don't get all muddy when the rains come.
Well, I've not been very good recently, but
Doesn't matter.
no, I'm back, that's the main thing.
Are you a post-pandemic joinee or?
Yes, I am. No, I'm relatively recent. Yeah, I just happened to read about it in a local paper, and I thought, oh, that sounds interesting, kind of way of keeping fit, but also getting to know a few more people locally and getting to know the area actually. Like, I didn't even know this forest school existed, and I live like 10 minutes down the road.
Yeah.
So it's just really nice.
That sounds interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's really nice just meeting some new people.
I've got to think of some puns for this. So, you know, one of them is tired and trust
funny.
me, really good.
Really good. That's a good one. You love that one.
I do, and this is a chip off the old block or something like
Yeah.
that.
You love a wheelie.
Yeah. Really good fun. That's the classic for doing something like this.
Yeah.
And spreading the chips about, you know.
Yeah.
I really do still have to work on it. Raking it in. Reiki.
Reiki. Yeah,
Reiki
that slipped
specialist.
out earlier.
Yeah, I know.
Adds a bit of joy.
Yeah. I mean, Good Gym is looking to do community missions, and they would look to put it online for Barnet. So somebody from Barnet would come, hopefully, and deliver it. But sometimes we don't have the volunteers to do it. We might go individually, like I'm doing here, to deliver medication, or as a pair, we might go and move some furniture around to allow a hospital bed to be put into a room, because that's generally quite a difficult thing for the hospital to arrange. An agency will identify somebody in the hospital that has nobody to help them, but they're saying to them, we need to get you back, we need to put a hospital bed in your house, and they'll say, no, I don't have any neighbours that I can trust or use. I don't have any family nearby. So an agency might then contact Good Gym and say, look, we need somebody to go in. Some of the agencies won't do what we do. The agents aren't insured to sometimes move furniture around in somebody's house, so they need to get somebody else in. These patients are well enough to go home. They're blocking beds in hospitals, they need to get back into their home, but the problem is the furniture needs to be moved around so they can get that hospital bed in, and there's nobody to do that, except in cases where we can get involved, and that's what Good Gym does. So it's really important that we get those patients out of hospital and into their own homes. We're that group. Just knocked on the door, left the package just in front of the doorstep, stepped back. She came out, we had a brief chat. I just, how are you? Are you getting out? Have you had your medications? I'm happy to do this for you. I said, look, whenever you need to get your medication, just let my head office know. She's a little bit nervous. She's been isolated for some time, so she's doing okay. Looks a bit weaker, but hopefully she's going to get out soon.